Pakistan is a country located in South Asia, with a population of over 220 million people. Its political system is a federal parliamentary democratic republic, with the president as the head of state and the prime minister as the head of government. The political history of Pakistan has been tumultuous, with periods of military rule interspersed with periods of civilian government. The country gained independence from British rule in 1947 and became a republic in 1956. Since then, it has undergone several major political shifts, with some of the most significant events being the Indo-Pakistan Wars, the separation of East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, in 1971, and the rise of Islamist militancy in the country. In recent years, Pakistan has been led by the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) party, which came to power in 2018 under the leadership of Imran Khan. The PTI's platform is focused on combating corruption, improving the economy, and promoting social welfare. One of the most pressing issues in Pakistan politics is the ongoing conflict with India over the disputed region of Kashmir. Both countries claim sovereignty over the territory, which has been the subject of several wars and military skirmishes. The situation remains tense, with frequent ceasefire violations and incidents of cross-border terrorism. Another significant issue in Pakistan politics is the role of the military in the country's governance. Historically, the military has played a prominent role in Pakistani politics, with several periods of military rule. While Pakistan is currently under civilian government, many observers note that the military still holds significant influence in the country's affairs. There are also concerns about the state of human rights in Pakistan, particularly with regard to minority rights, women's rights, and freedom of speech. There have been reports of extrajudicial killings, enforced disappearances, and other human rights abuses by both state and non-state actors. Despite these challenges, Pakistan has made significant progress in recent years in areas such as economic growth and social development. The country has a young and dynamic population, and there is growing interest among young people in participating in the political process and shaping the country's future. As Pakistan continues to grapple with these complex issues, it is likely that its politics will remain a subject of intense interest and scrutiny both domestically and internationally. Thanks for watching.